This property is a 4-bedroom, 5 full baths, and 1/2 bath home. The list price has recently been reduced to $558,000. Interior features of this property include a first-floor master, a separate laundry room, a formal dining room, a formal living room, central air conditioning, a finished basement, natural gas heat, and a family room. On the outside, this property features a shingle roof, a brick exterior finish, and a cul-de-sac location. Community amenities include a tennis facility and a community clubhouse. This property is represented by
Karen Ellis with Coldwell Banker McMahon.